Hi there, CapCut editors. Today we are adding black screens in CapCut for smooth transitions, skin breaks and those dramatic pauses. So without any futurist at all, let's dive right in. Launch the CapCut app and either create a new project or open an exciting one. To add a black screen in between clips, place the playhead, that's the white line, where you want the black screen to appear. Choose timeline. Once it is in place, tap split. Then click on the plus icon and choose library. From the library, select the black template and hit add. Just like that, a solid black block is added right at your chosen spot. You can change the duration of the black screen by dragging its edge, make it as short or longer as you like. Want to use it in multiple spots? Just click duplicate, scroll right, find duplicate, and drag it to different points on the timeline. That's it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.